Did you accidentally delete important photos from your Android phone? Maybe it was a family picture, a work document, or even a screenshot you really needed. Don't panic, because in this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted photos on Android, step by step, even if you think they're gone forever. Let's begin. First, check the easiest place, the recycle bin or trash inside your gallery app. Most Android phones, Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, Pixel, automatically store deleted photos in a trash folder for 30 days before permanently deleting them. Open your gallery, scroll to Trash, Recently Deleted, or Bin, and restore the photos with one tap. If they're not there, the next place to check is Google Photos. Open Google Photos, tap Library, then Trash. Google keeps deleted photos for up to 60 days, giving you an extra chance to restore images that are missing from your phone's gallery. Just select the photo and tap Restore, and it will reappear in your main gallery. Now, what if the photo isn't in the trash at all? Then it might be backed up in the cloud. Tap your Google account avatar in Google Photos and see if backup was turned on. If it was, your photos are still safe online, even if they were deleted locally. Open the Photos tab or search by date, location, or object. Google's AI makes it surprisingly easy to find lost images. If nothing shows up, we can try a third option, file recovery apps. Apps like DiskDigger, PhotoRec, or Dr. Phone can scan your phone's internal memory for hidden or partially deleted files. Just install the app, run a deep scan, and browse the recovered images. Keep in mind, this works best if the deleted photos haven't been overwritten by new data. Another powerful method is using a computer recovery tool. Connect your phone to a PC and use recovery software like EaseUS, Recover, or TenorShare. These tools dig deeper into your storage and can recover photos that mobile apps miss, especially useful for older devices or non-cloud users. And finally, here's an important tip. The moment you notice photos are missing, stop installing apps, stop downloading files, and avoid taking new pictures. Every new file can overwrite the deleted photo and make recovery much harder. So before giving up, try these steps: gallery trash, Google Photos, cloud backup, recovery apps, and PC tools. In most cases, your photos aren't really gone, they're just hidden. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.